Hi, so we're going to go quickly over what's going on with these emails here. Um, I'm currently in follow-up emails in the main page, you'll see, and then I go on to WC membership, and here is the organization early notice. Um, so I just opened it up here, and now the follow-up type needs to change to um, before I do that, I want to make sure I know the details of what we're doing here. But we wanted to change to a subscription email. You can see that here. It's hard to read once I scroll over it. So I'm just going to make sure I see it's sending delay 2 months before membership expires, organization membership plan, and I'm just membership. I'm just taking notes here, so um, when I go and change that, I'm ready for it. Because we're gonna lose them. So the reply to, just copy that, and I'm just gonna save that as a reference. Now, some of these things are gonna change, like the membership plan, membership end date, those are gonna disappear because we're changing it to subscription. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So subscription email and membership plan and membership end date do not apply. So over here, I have this document with email variables. So what we want for the membership plan in its place is going to be the item name. See, it displays the subscription's name as a link back, which is good. So we're just going to take this, and I'm just going to put that there. And that was bold, so we could bold that. And then the membership end date, that would be the subscription end date. So if we could find that, displays the date the user subscription will, oh, here we go, subs end date. And I'm just going to put this here. And then just bold that. Now customer first name, that should be the same. And we should be able to see that here. Yeah. Okay, so everything else is right. So now what we want is, this was 2 months before active subscription expires. Enable for a specific subscription, and we're going to do organization membership. Include variations. So that'll go to any of the organization membership subscription options. I know it's a bit confusing because it's a very complicated website. So let's go here. Now, import existing orders. Yes, that's going to pull in all the current orders for and subscriptions. Reply to, from to is correct. Okay, so this is good. Let's preview. Okay, so that's, I mean, it's the same email. It's everything's the same. So what we're doing is we're just switching it over to be a subscription email. So there are just a few things that have to change, like the item name, that's no longer the membership name, and then the subscription end date, because it's no longer tied to the membership end date. It's the subscription end date. So now if I save this email, it's moving nice. Okay, so here it says your email has been saved. You chose to import existing orders. Please click this button to initiate a scan of your orders to schedule emails. So now I'm just going to import existing orders. All right, and no errors. So that's excellent. So we're going to go back And now if we go to subscription emails, there we go. We got, this was one that I was testing. I don't know, we're gonna have to look at that. But that's pretty much it. So now you can go to, there's this great reports tab here. And once they start going, you're gonna see, and this was the test from today. This was what I did, and that ran successfully. So, and then there's the scheduled emails here. And yeah, there are definitely more that have been added here. And you can see organization early notice. So this is queued, ready to go. And you can see the dates. Okay, I'm going to end this. Now we know how to get these going. So there are a few that look like they should have sent, and you can just click this button to send now. So it makes it very simple. So okay, I'm going to wrap this up.